Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is The Moment He Realized He Was Completely Screwed. So let's get into the video, man. Let's see.
In August 2023, police received information regarding the location of a wanted individual in Oakair, Wisconsin. A 36-year-old man named Anthony, who had multiple warrants for his arrest, was suspected of staying at a motel within the city. Additionally, police were well aware of Anthony's criminal history and his previous cooperation with law enforcement.
Anthony, don't. Come on.
I'm not Anthony,
Stop,
man.
stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing, man. What the f*** y'all going to me? In my arm.
Anthony, stop.
They just grabbed me, man, for no reason, man. Stop, man. They had me in the back of the Forest Preserve earlier, man. They was trying to kill me. They was trying to kill me, man. Y'all violated my rights. Y'all being violent towards me and everything, man.
Upon arriving in the area, officers spotted Anthony outside the motel, but he quickly retreated inside through one of the doors, likely in response to their presence.
Which one did he go to?
The one right between, so you know where the brick is, right in the middle?
Yep, that's the inside building.
Number 174 headquarters.
Go ahead.
Anthony, start at 30.
Let me find out he a regular on the channel.
This one?
Yep, this one.
What room number is that?
What number is it?
Lexi, are you positive? Can you hold here? I'm gonna talk to the guy working. Yep. Or I'll say Lexi, you just want to talk to him and see. Can you stay in that number?
Are you looking for that big black guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know that.
He went that way?
Yeah, it's a friend back there.
Nice description.
What number room is that?
I don't know. Doesn't have my room number.
6. Just walk through that door.
Right now? Yeah. Okay. Hey. Somebody said that he just walked through the back door here.
Game time. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah, he playing games.
Record is wrong. We're just checking the walkway up top here. 10-4.
While continuing to search, an officer suddenly observed Anthony on the first floor.
Tom, turn around. He's downstairs. Full pursuit, Anthony.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Heading towards MacArthur Quick Trip.
Let's see if he can run. Oh, nah, he's slow. Oh, yeah. Oh, act right.
Okay, man.
That's right. Go to the game.
I'm not resisting.
Stop.
Look at tased.
I'm not, man.
Turn on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Okay, man.
Get on your stomach.
Okay.
If you don't, you're gonna get tased right
I'm
now.
not doing nothing.
Turn on your stomach.
Okay, man. Why y'all doing this, man?
You got a warrant.
For what? For what?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You are resisting. Knock it off.
Why do I have a warrant, man? Can you stop?
174 headquarters, one in custody.
My stomach is burning, man. Please, please.
Hey.
I'm not resisting, please, man.
Are you okay? Do you need an ambulance or anything?
Yes, man. Can I turn over?
Stay seated, all right?
Hey.
Why y'all doing it?
If that he said my stomach is burning. He fried up like an egg. Yeah. He fried up like a pork chop. Hey, but look, that's why. Hey, don't look like that now. Hey, that's what you get for running, man. You know what I'm saying? You done. You caught. And you a bigger guy. Where you going? You ain't going nowhere, man.
You got a warrant, man?
Y'all do this for a warrant?
Yep.
What kind of warrant?
You started EMS to our location.
Huh? All this for a warrant?
What do you mean EMS for?
Yeah,
Can't breathe,
wanted. Like, what the
He's saying
hell?
that he can't breathe.
Oh, man.
Alright. Here, stand you up, okay?
All this for a warrant?
You got a warrant? Well, why are you running?
Because why y'all chasing me?
Because you got a warrant.
Listen, man. I thought I was meeting somebody else, man.
Would you rather sit or stand up?
Y'all stand up.
Somebody called and said you were hanging out here.
No, they didn't, man.
Okay. We're just gonna search you for weapons first, okay?
Go ahead.
Yeah, I want to loosen your cuffs too, man. They're pretty tight. Don't fight, okay? I'm gonna loosen.
I'm not fighting with y'all at all, man.
Can you lean forward a little bit?
My side hurt, man. My stomach. Y'all please lay down.
Do you want to lay down?
It hurts, man. Y'all can I get off the ground? Y'all put me in the car or something, man? Y'all put me in the car?
He was running towards Quick Trip.
Someone said running in Quick Trip.
Oh, I tried to say toward Quick Trip. Sorry.
Hey, man, my side hurt right here, man.
Well, we got EMS coming, all right?
Oh,
I'll check you out.
y'all, can I get off the ground?
You want to get off the ground?
Yes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Well, that's where he was going, and then he's like, I'm done, but then he never gave up. And I said, get on the ground. And he didn't get on the ground, and I grabbed onto him, and he started pushing back on me.
You want to go sit in the shade?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't like this for a warrant, man.
Sit in the car, right?
I can't like this for a warrant.
Nora 147 headquarters, you can confirm the warrants.
He keeps saying that like a warrant ain't a big deal. Like,
You gonna lay down?
Hey, somebody left that in my bag, man. You heard me? I don't know who the f that is. That's my stuff.
Becker, there's a check in there that's folded up.
Yeah. You want my name on it?
We're just double checking it.
Yeah. I know how much y'all was trying to help me. Y'all did all this for a warrant, man. Y'all really don't like me out here, do y'all?
Somebody called you in.
No, they didn't, man.
Yes, they did. Was it ain't on tip that you're hanging out over here?
How I'm hanging out? I was just here. At a room here. I'm not hanging out.
Some girl walked off and we rolled up, so I don't know. So you don't know who this girl is?
Who?
This one?
Some chick I was with.
Where is she at?
I don't know where she at. I was with her for like 2 days, and she left. Somebody text me. That was you texting me?
No, nope. We got an anonymous tip, man.
I don't see how when I was here. I don't see how. I'm sorry. Yeah, anonymous tip. I was sitting out here.
What's hurting right now?
My whole stomach, like my groin, like.
You want to lay on your side? Or you want us to help you?
It hurts, man.
Do you want me to sit you up against this?
man, he
wall
probably
right
got a cramp.
Yeah? All right, why don't you sit up? I'll work with you, all right? Sit up for me.
He got a cramp from running, man.
Stand up and then we'll sit you down, or you want to scoot?
Got a scoop?
Yeah, scoot. A little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. Should be able to lean up against it now.
Called in on me, right? Nobody called in on me, man. I like that little Facebook thing y'all got going on, man. Y'all definitely text me. Yeah, y'all was texting me, man. Yeah, Josie, huh? Y'all better change that. I'm putting that out there, man.
Who's Josie?
Yeah, whoever page y'all using to text me from, man.
I don't know a Josie.
I know, because it's a fake page. It's y'all, man. Why y'all looking for me, to be honest with you?
You have warrants, man.
What kind of warrants? Huh?
You have a DOC warrant.
What other warrants? Says DOC?
You had a bench warrant, too.
A what? A
Bench warrant.
Y'all coming deep like that looking for me for a bench
Oh,
warrant?
you ran, dude.
But y'all pull up 5 cars deep?
There's no 5 cars here.
Well, y'all 2 or 3 cars?
There's 2 cars. We're a two-person car. He's a 1-person car.
Oh, man. Can you please take, can you, take my shirt and wipe my eyes? My eyes are, burning. Thank you. I must be a big bus.
What's up?
I'm a big bus for a warrant, man. I swear, this chick hit me up on Facebook that I never met before. Said she wanted to hang out. And I told her I was short like $20 to get my room. And she said she was gonna help me.
Okay.
Anthony was charged with misdemeanor counts of resisting an officer and bail jumping ×3. All charges are repeat offenses, and he was released the following day on a $500 signature bond. About 7 months later, Anthony was found guilty of resisting an officer. His 3 counts of bail jumping were dismissed but read in. In the end, considering this case, along with 2 others, he was sentenced to 1 year in jail.
Let that sink in. He got bail jumping and they let him out on bond again. Like, just think about how messed up the criminal justice system is. The repeat offenses. Got one of the charges is bail jumping. He's warrant. He's a flight risk. You know what I'm saying? He has a bench warrant. Okay, one of the warrants is a bench warrant. That's for you not showing up to court. Like, oh my God, and they still give him another bond. You hear me? Like, that is, yo, you can't make this up, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.